Imagine a tiny battery, small but mighty, with the ability to store and release electrical energy. This, my friends, is a capacitor, a marvel of engineering hidden within the confines of numerous electronic devices, doing its job quietly and efficiently. This story begins with two metal plates, each with its own role to play. They are separated by a mysterious character known as a dielectric, an insulator that won't let electrons flow between the plates. When a voltage comes into play, a fascinating dance of electrons begins. The voltage applies pressure and electrons start to accumulate on one plate. This creates a negative charge. Meanwhile, on the other side, the other plate is becoming positively charged. The tension builds, but the dielectric, our insulator, ensures the electrons can't flow between the plates. It's a high-stakes game of tag where no one can cross the line. But the story doesn't end there. When the capacitor is finally connected to a circuit, it releases all that stored energy in a burst, powering devices like the humble flashlight or the intricate camera. Capacitors have many roles in the world of electronics. They stabilize voltage, ensuring your devices run smoothly. They filter out noise, providing clarity in audio and visual equipment. And of course, they store energy, ready to release it when needed. So next time you're texting on your phone or simply turning on a light, spare a thought for the tiny capacitor. This mighty component, no larger than a grain of rice, is working tirelessly behind the scenes, making our modern electrified life possible. In the grand narrative of electronics, the capacitor may be a supporting character, but its role is vital. It's the unsung hero, the backbone of functionality. Remember, without the capacitor, the story just wouldn't be the same. And that, my friends, is the story of the capacitor. A tiny battery, a mighty force, an essential piece of the puzzle in the world of electronics.